beat the fuck out of you.
Dude, if he fucking jumped, oh my. What the fuck are you doing?
How did she not get electrocuted? Did you get electrocuted?
Poppy, who did this? Who dug here? Do you know which?
The true. Oh.
Who did this?
Won't retrieve a duck, but by God, he can point a bag of dill pickle chips.
Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
It is your fault. No, it is. It's your fault. You're feeding.